Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Ashish Chakravarti. In this channel, I post videos based on my experiences and learnings for people who are looking out get a positive life out of themselves. There are many situations in my life that I have gone through are based on my experiences that has brought me. Basically, I try to put those attributes in my life whenever it is possible. I try to keep up with that. It is not always possible for me to bring out all those attributes all together. At the end of the day, I am also a human being, but yes, of course, I try to implement those attributes most of the time, and yes, of course, I get results out of that. So today's topic of the video is self-sacrifice. The reason I am making this video of self-sacrifice is to convey my message, my learnings, my understanding of life to those people who are fighting in their life, who are basically trying to achieve something in their life, achieve something good in their life, and there are certain attributes which are really required to get yourself up, get going, elevate your life. And I will be talking about self-sacrifice. Self-sacrifice is such an self-sacrifice is such an attribute. Most of the people might not be even thinking about this attribute, because self-sacrifice, why should I sacrifice? I should always gain, right? I should always get things done. I should always be profitable. I should always get a good job. I should always get a good girlfriend, good wife, good family. It is always like I should always get, right? There is no harm in that. Of course, there is no harm in that. But sometimes, but most of the time, this attributes helps you a lot. And try to implement sometime. Try to think about it, what I am trying to share, and hopefully it will make sense to you. Self-sacrifice doesn't mean like sacrificing on a whole new level, right? Self-sacrifice is an attribute, just like confidence, just like self-discipline, just like energetic. So this is an attribute in a person. By self-sacrifice always comes when you love people around you, when you love your life, when you love the job that you are doing in life, when you want to excel in your life. So that's how self-sacrifices comes, and it comes slowly with experiences, yes, of course. But when people with experiences, you have to notice them, how they are doing it, how they are mentioning it, how they are explaining it to you. It is not always shouting around and then giving a feedback giving a negative feedback to people as an always required. So self-sacrifice, I would say, why to sacrifice? First of all, the question in our mind comes, why to sacrifice? Because we need everything for ourselves, right? So there is no point of sacrificing. But that's not the fact. Sacrifices makes us selfless and determined with stronger attitude. When you make sacrifices, for example, I am doing a job. I am doing a job. I have to go 8 to 6. I have to go 8 to 5 and do the job in a best possible way, in a very positive way. And during carrying out the task or a job, you will be meeting many situations. You will be coming across many situations where you have to keep quiet, where you have to put down your point, where you have to explain it to the other person that okay, fine, if we can carry out this job, this will be the positive thing, this will be the negative thing, this is how it can be done in a maximum achievable way. At that point of time, you are self-sacrificing your ego, because the other person is not listening to you. You are self-sacrificing your time, because you know maybe that person might not be interested in talking to you or giving you an appointment, giving you a meeting. At every point of life, every point of time, You are actually doing self-sacrifice. So you should be proud of that, because self-sacrifice is not something defined. It comes automated, it comes with experience, it comes with keeping one mouth shut, it comes with understanding of life, understanding of work, understanding of the surrounding where we are working, understanding other people. So you don't have to give up a lot of things when it comes to self-sacrifice. But yes, of course, if you want to achieve something in your life, in your dream, if you want to achieve your dream, achieve your goal for which you are working continuously, if you are, then a lot of self-sacrifice is required. If you are just going through an examination, let's consider ICSE, let's consider 10th examination, metric examination. You have to sacrifice your sleep, you have to sacrifice your time, you have to sacrifice your other activities, watching TV, going out and playing and all those things. Why? Because you want to get good results in the exam, right? So there you are making a lot of self-sacrifice. If you are motivated, if you really want to achieve the goal, if you really want to pass, if you really want to see, there is a difference of self-sacrifice. A person, there are two person who is giving the same 10th examination. One person sleeps on time, watches TV, he has his own schedule, and his goal is to pass the exam. So he will be sacrificing less. A person who is getting higher percentage, he will be sacrificing more. He will be working out hard to achieve his end result and end goal, that is to achieve higher percentage, higher results, good results for his future. So the level of sacrifices you do, the more sacrifices you do, the harder you work, the more nearer you are going towards your dream. So this is what is self-sacrifice, right? When you self-sacrifice things, you will be having yes I can attitude. You will be building up an attitude. You will be building up a, you will, when you are self-sacrificing many things to achieve your goal, you will be building up a dedication. Because self-sacrifice comes only when there is dedication to do a job, when you love doing the job. No matter if it is a job, it is an examination, it is an entrance, anything. So you work harder, you become dedicated, you sacrifice your desires, to go ahead in life, to make a brighter future, right? So it gives you a lot of dedication. This is a sacrificing is a self-continuous process. It is a very continuous process. It's not like today I am giving up many things to achieve my goals, and tomorrow goals are not achieved in one day, right? So today I am sacrificing my time, sacrificing my sleep, sacrificing my TV shows. Today I will study hard, right? Tomorrow I will not sacrifice and I will go back to my daily routine. That's not how it works. It has to be consistent, it has to be persistent, right? When you sacrifice these things, then only you will be getting across through life. Always take one step at a time. I cannot say that okay fine, I have been sacrificing for last 13-14 years, what have I got? It takes time, one step at a time. It takes patience, it takes a lot of sacrifices to be where you are. You have to decide what sacrifices you have done in your life to achieve or the place where you are in today. For example, I will be considering the facts that did I do enough where I am today, or would I have been in a different position if I would have sacrificed more, if I would have not relaxed, if I would not gone out partying, if I would have done something extra, learned something more. So those sacrifices if I have done, then I would have reached to a particular position at this point of time today. That is a self assessment, guys. You have to self assess and be true to yourself, that what sacrifices you are doing to achieve your goal, and you will be getting the replies right up front. You know what you have sacrificed, you know what you have not sacrificed for. So start working out on those things, start giving it a thought, because you are young, you can go ahead in life, you can work out more, you have a lot of dreams to achieve. So it's not like sacrifice everything and go ahead and get the things sorted out. It doesn't work like that. It is a daily routine job. It is a daily routine job. So my friends, this is the video I wanted to make about self-sacrifice, a small video about self-sacrifice. I believe I am sharing these videos based on my understanding and experience and learnings, because I believe you may be understanding those things, but maybe your younger brother, maybe your elder brother, maybe your friend, somebody who might not be in a situation to understand that fact, and they are doing random stuffs without any goal in their life, or somewhere somebody might be needing this information, which I am just trying to share out there, share my experiences, my understanding, which may help somebody who really need it. So this is all about sacrifices, self-sacrifices, and if you really like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want me to post more videos, subscribe to my channel, and please do let me know through your comments what type of videos you would more like me to, what types of video you would like me to make, so that in these ranges, in these attributes what I am discussing about, and I would be really happy to make few more videos. If you really like it, please do comment, please do share, please do subscribe, and if you really, and if you got the point what I am trying to make, try to explain it to your siblings, try to explain it to your friends whom you think that they want to achieve something in their life, who has a goal in their life, who is trying hard to reach somewhere, doing good for his future, doing good for his or her future. So my friends, this is Ashish Chakravarti. Thank you so much.